So guys, welcome to this other video where we are going to be solving another question to better understand the chain rule. So let's take a question. This time around we're going to be taking with the trigonometric function. Imagine we have y is equals to cos 2x, where in this function cos alone is a function and 2x is a function on its own. So we're going to follow the steps we previously used in the other video. So with this, we obviously know that what we'll let our 2x to be equals to a certain function u. So now if we differentiate this u with respect to x, we're going to have du by dx, which gives me what? 2. And I leave that one like that for now. I write back my initial function, which is going to be y equals to what? Cos u. Because u is equals to 2x, we can write it as such. So now we differentiate dy with respect to u, where we're going to have what? A negative sine u. And before I forget, let's take this somewhere. We know the differentiation of a sine function is going to give me a cos. It's going to give me a cos. And the differentiation of what? Of a cos is going to give me a negative sine. The differentiation of a tan is going to give me a sec squared x. So keep that in mind because we're going to be using it constantly. So that's what I've applied here. So we have dy by d equals to that. So now what we're aimed at is making dy dx the subject of the formula. So if we multiply this guy and this guy, we're going to have dy on du multiplying with what? Du on dx. If we look keenly, we're back to dy dx because these du's are going to get rid of each other, and so we're simply multiplying this guy with this guy. So we're going to have 2 times what? Negative sine u, multiplying negative sine u, and which is obviously and simply going to give me 2 negative, because the negative should come in front. And now we're going to have negative sine what? U, which is u. What is u? 2x, so which is 2x, and that is the answer. As simple as possible. So hang on, subscribe to this channel so you're going to have more, and all your problems, write them down in the comment section below.